In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the appearance of OBS Studio to better fit your personal preference or enhance your streaming setup. OBS, short for Open Broadcaster Software, is a fantastic tool for streaming and recording, and customizing its look can make your experience much more enjoyable. Let's guide you through these easy steps to change OBS Studio's theme in just a few moments. To start off, you'll need to have OBS Studio installed on your computer. If you haven't done so yet, just head over to the official OBS website and download the latest version. Once you've got OBS Studio up and running, the first thing you'll want to do is open the application. You should see the main OBS interface with a variety of options and settings laid out before you. Don't worry, we're going to keep it all straightforward. Next, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the OBS window, where you'll find a button labeled Settings. Click on that button to open the Settings menu. This is where you'll find a host of options that OBS provides to cater to your various streaming and recording needs. Today, we're focusing specifically on the appearance of the software. Within the Settings menu, look for the tab that says Appearance. Clicking on this will reveal a section called Theme. The theme dictates the overall look and feel of the OBS Studio interface, and switching it up can make your workspace more visually appealing and easier on the eyes, especially during those long nights of editing or streaming. Now you'll see there are different themes available. OBS generally comes with at least a few theme options to choose from. You might see themes like dark, light, or perhaps something with a bit more color. Simply click on the drop-down menu next to Theme and select the one that appeals to you the most. As soon as you select a different theme, you'll notice that the interface will change its appearance immediately. This allows you to instantly evaluate how the new theme looks and decide if it suits your taste. As you explore the theme options, keep in mind that each theme might provide a slightly different layout impression or color scheme, so it's worth taking a moment to see which one fits your setup seamlessly. Once you've selected your preferred theme, simply hit the Apply button if it's available, followed by OK to confirm your choice. And there you have it. Your OBS Studio now has a fresh new look that suits your personal style or professional needs. Whether you're streaming to a global audience or just recording some gameplay for your own enjoyment, having an interface that feels right can make the process a lot more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you to personalize your OBS Studio. Enjoy your new theme, and happy streaming or recording.